Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the phone, check the OS level, and grant the auto clicker accessibility or assistive permissions so it can simulate taps. Once done, make sure Roblox is fully closed and reboot the device to clear conflicts. You should also disable battery savers and game boosters temporarily because they throttle background input. These steps let the auto clicker control touch events reliably. Do them now so the app has permission and system resources before moving to configuration. Now configure the pattern. Choose interval, duration, and repeat count, short intervals like 100 to 200 ms mimic human tapping while avoiding detection. Next, map coordinates precisely or use recording mode. Align taps with buttons by zooming the game and adjusting offsets, because misaligned taps are the common cause of failure. Once configured, test in a private match or offline area to confirm behavior. If taps miss, tweak coordinates and add small randomization to intervals so actions look natural. Finish by enabling overlay or draw over other apps permission so the auto clicker can place controls above Roblox. Without it, taps may be blocked. Once active, lock screen orientation and test several short runs. If it still fails, reinstall the clicker or try a different reputable app and lower the tap frequency slightly. If problems persist after a Roblox update, suspect anti-cheat changes. Pause use, check patch notes, and only resume when systems permit. One key tip: always test in a safe environment before full use.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.